Welcome to
अपना ज्ञान लोक.
Today, a revision quiz on carbon and the periodic table. Let's test what you have learned. I ask a question, you pause and answer, then we check it together. Ready? Let's go. Question 1. How many valence electrons does carbon have? Pause and think. The answer is 4. Its configuration is 2, 4. Question 2. Does carbon lose, gain, or share electrons? Pause and think. The answer is share. It forms covalent bonds and is tetravalent. Question 3. Carbon bonding to more carbons to form chains is? Pause and think. The answer is catenation. It gives millions of compounds. Question 4. Diamond and graphite are what, of carbon? Pause and think. The answer is allotropes. Same element, different forms. Question 5. Which is the hardest natural substance? Pause and think. The answer is diamond. Each carbon bonds to 4 others. Question 6. A compound of only carbon and hydrogen is a? Pause and think. The answer is hydrocarbon. Methane is an example. Question 7. Alkanes have only which kind of bonds? Pause and think. The answer is single bonds. They are saturated. Question 8. Ethene has a double bond. Saturated or unsaturated? Pause and think. The answer is unsaturated. It is an alkene. Question 9. A family differing by CH2 with similar properties is a? Pause and think. The answer is homologous series. Like the alkanes. Question 10. The OH functional group makes an? Pause and think. The answer is alcohol. For example, ethanol. Question 11. The COOH functional group makes a? Pause and think. The answer is carboxylic acid. For example, ethanoic acid. Question 12. Name a 2-carbon compound with an OH group. Pause and think. The answer is ethanol. Eth plus OL. Question 13. Vinegar is a dilute solution of? Pause and think. The answer is ethanoic acid. About 5 to 8%. Question 14. Ethanol reacting with sodium gives which gas? Pause and think. The answer is hydrogen plus sodium ethoxide. Question 15. Acid plus alcohol gives a sweet smelling? Pause and think. The answer is ester. The reaction is esterification. Question 16. Ethanoic acid plus baking soda gives which gas? Pause and think. The answer is carbon dioxide. The mixture fizzes. Question 17. Soap cleans grease by forming a? Pause and think. The answer is micelle. It traps the grease inside a ball. Question 18. The grease-loving end of soap is? Pause and think. The answer is hydrophobic. The water-hating tail. Question 19. Soap does not work well in? Pause and think. The answer is hard water. It forms scum, detergents work instead. Question 20. Dobereiner grouped elements in sets of? Pause and think. The answer is 3, called triads. The middle mass was about the average. Question 21. Newland's every eighth element pattern is the law of? Pause and think. The answer is octaves. Like the notes in music. Question 22. Mendeleev arranged elements by increasing? Pause and think. The answer is atomic mass. And grouped by similar properties. Question 23. What did Mendeleev's gaps predict? Pause and think. The answer is undiscovered elements, such as germanium. Question 24. The modern periodic table is arranged by atomic? Pause and think. The answer is number. This fixed Mendeleev's problems. Question 25. Vertical columns in the table are called? Pause and think. The answer is groups. There are 18 of them. Question 26. Horizontal rows are called? Pause and think. The answer is periods. There are 7 of them. Question 27. Elements in the same group have the same number of? Pause and think. The answer is valence electrons. So they have similar properties. Question 28. Across a period, atomic size? Pause and think. The answer is decreases. The nuclear charge pulls electrons in. Question 29. Down a group, atomic size? Pause and think. The answer is increases. New shells are added. Question 30. Across a period, metallic character? Pause and think. The answer is decreases. Metals are on the left, nonmetals on the right. Question 31. Where are the noble gases placed? Pause and think. The answer is, in group 18, far right. They are unreactive. Question 32. The period number tells the number of? Pause and think. The answer is shells. In the atom. Question 33. Which kind of metals are found free in nature? Pause and think. The answer is unreactive ones, like gold. They sit low in the reactivity series. Question 34. Fullerene, like C60, is shaped like A? Pause and think. The answer is football, a hollow ball. It is another allotrope of carbon. Well done getting through all of these. Go back over any you missed, and they will stick for good. That is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to
ApnaGyaanLok
and ring the bell so you never miss a new lesson. See you in the next one.